Today is the day I'm proposing to my bridal party.
We're blessed, we're blessed, we're blessed. Get through all the trouble and we passed every test. We're blessed, we're blessed, we're blessed. Put it in his hands and he'll handle the rest. I'm not worried about what's wrong, cause with Jesus I am strong. Devil can't get in my way, cause I'm winning every day. We're blessed, we're blessed, we're blessed. I'm blessed, you're blessed, we're blessed.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Diva Bekah, back at it again with another video. And today we're going to be putting together my proposal boxes. So first I started off by cutting up my labels for the candles that I designed and printed myself. I put the name of the candle on there, Tropical Heartbeat, and I went with that name because me and my boo are both Caribbean. And I put our logo and our theme colors for the wedding on there as well. So here's the candle that we will be using. It smells so good, y'all. It's called the Tropical Escape. You know, go ahead and try it out. Here are the labels, and then all you need is some double-sided tape. And here's the final product. Let me know what y'all think. I think they came out so cute and it was so seamless. Moving on to the boxes, I got some 5x5 magnetic gift boxes, gold letter stickers, gold ribbon, and I created some more labels for the boxes with the big question that I'm going to ask my girls. I have one for the maid of honor and another 5 for the bridesmaids. I stuck it to the inside face of the box so that it's the first thing they see when they open it up. And here's everything that we're going to be putting in the boxes for my girls. We will get into the details in a bit. Alright, it's time to bring this vision to life now. We're going to start with some gold and white gift filler paper. The candle that we got them is called Tropical Escape by Huntington Homes. I got them 3 Calvin Klein Euphoria perfumes in a gift set. And then we also got some e.l.f. lip oil and an Klein cuff bracelet. The details for everything will be in the description box below. Tying these bows definitely gave me a run for my money, but it was so worth it. The last thing was to add their names with these gold letter stickers. And guys, look how cute these turned out. I wrote each of them a nice thank you note, and now it's time to pass it on to my girls. Yes, so I'm running late right now. I'm on my way to the restaurant where I'm meeting them to do the proposal. I'm nervous because some of them probably gonna get there before me. Yeah, y'all, cop the ring. But anyways, yeah, I'm nervous because they probably gonna get there before me, but we're gonna see what happens. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna see y'all at the restaurant.
You lucky you got nice handwriting.
Let me get ahead of everybody. Everybody already reading. Anyway.
Keep up, come on. You already late to the party.
I'm coming. Okay. Thank you. I gather myself.
Oh, you got the date on there and everything.
Yeah. So make sure y'all put it in your calendars. You guys are the first ones to know the date. So put it in your calendars. Y'all all say yes, right? Y'all say yes. Yes. She said yes! Whoop, whoop, whoop. Duh. The answer is duh. Oh, these are so nice. Oh, I get a candle. Yes, Lord. Does it smell familiar? It sure does. It's a perfume that came with 3 different perfumes from Euphoria.
Explain nothing to me. I accept it all. Oh, this is so mean. So soft. Ooh. Oh, should be bringing these to Jamaica.
Well, you can. They're travel size.
I have no more space. I don't even think about it. Yes, girl. Oh, they're so good. Calvin Klein? Ooh. Calvin Klein and going with your thing. And now I'm a gloss girly, so yes, this is very appropriate.
Woo! Y'all have officially seen my morning face. But today is day 3. And our final proposal. I'm on the way to meet my girl for breakfast. It ain't brunch time yet, but breakfast. She has no idea what's about to happen, just like the ones last night didn't know what was about to happen, just like the one before didn't know what was about to happen. So I'm excited. I'm on my way to meet my sis, so we'll see what she says, and I'm gonna see y'all when we get there.
Of course she said yes.
Alright guys, so we just officially got done with our meeting with Raven. I'm with Boo now. Say hey,
So,
Boo.
hey, Raven said yes?
Yes, Raven said yes.
Raven is raving. That's what I know.
Anyways, so we officially got all of our yeses, and I officially have a bridal party. I don't know about him. You still gotta ask your guys, but
I gotta find 6 guys. 6 man.
6 men.
6.
So it has officially started. We're excited, and we'll keep y'all posted. Y'all, I had so much going on, so of course your girl forgot to do her outro. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so that you can stay up to date for all of my content. And stay tuned for more wedding content because your girl is getting married. I'm so excited, you guys. But as always, I will see you next time, my blessed divas and dudes.